Welcome to this video guide on diagnosing humming noises in ceiling fans. We will explore both mechanical and electrical causes to help you identify and resolve issues with your fan. Understanding your fan starts with knowing its anatomy. The motor turns electrical energy into motion, while bearings reduce friction. The mount connects the fan to the ceiling, and the shank and blades handle air movement. A low-pitch hum often originates from the motor housing. This symptom is frequently caused by electrical interference or poor mechanical tuning within the motor components. Standard light dimmers can restrict power, starving the fan motor and causing vibration and humming. The fix is to install a dedicated fan speed switch designed for motor control. Over time, heat can degrade the motor capacitor, which regulates power. A faulty capacitor delivers unstable power to the motor, resulting in a continuous hum. Replacing the capacitor can resolve this. In some cases, cheap fan motors may have uneven copper windings, creating unbalanced magnetic fields. This causes vibration. The remedy is to replace the motor or upgrade to a tuned BLDC fan. If you hear a repetitive clicking or rattling sound, it is likely caused by loose hardware where metal parts are hitting each other. Tighten all blade irons, motor housing screws, and glass shades. A harsh grinding or whirring noise often indicates dry or worn motor bearings due to a lack of lubrication. You can address this by adding light machine oil to the oil hole or by replacing the bearings. Dust buildup or bent blades can cause the fan to wobble, creating tapping noises. Ensure your blades are clean and measure the gap to the ceiling, which should not exceed 1/8 of an inch. This table summarizes common sounds, their origins, and their solutions, ranging from electrical adjustments for humming to physical maintenance for clicking, grinding, or tapping noises. Regular maintenance is key. Follow this 4-step cycle. Clean the blades, check screws, use a balancing kit if needed, and lubricate the bearing holes to keep your fan running smoothly. Always turn off the power before inspecting your fan. While tightening screws or cleaning is safe for DIYers, please call an electrician if you encounter sparks, burning smells, or complex wiring issues. Remember, noises are signs of stress. By identifying the sound and isolating the root cause, you can apply the correct fix to keep your ceiling fan in good working order.